Bow window installation in West Columbia, South Carolina, is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a variety of bow windows West Columbia styles available, residents can choose from custom bow windows that perfectly match their home's design. Bow window installation services in South Carolina offer a range of options to suit any architectural style. Custom bow windows in West Columbia provide a unique opportunity to personalize your home's exterior. These windows are designed to fit specific dimensions and styles, ensuring a perfect match for your home. Bow window design in West Columbia allows for creative solutions that enhance both the interior and exterior of your property. Energy-efficient bow windows West Columbia are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to minimize heat loss and improve insulation, making them a smart choice for any homeowner. Bow window benefits in South Carolina include increased energy efficiency and enhanced curb appeal. Bow window replacement in West Columbia is a service offered by many local contractors. Whether you're looking to upgrade your existing windows or replace damaged ones, bow window replacement services in West Columbia provide expert solutions. Bow window replacement in West Columbia, South Carolina, ensures that your windows remain in top condition, extending their lifespan and maintaining their functionality. Bow window materials in West Columbia are available in a variety of options, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum. Each material offers unique benefits, allowing homeowners to choose the best option for their needs. Bow window cost in West Columbia, South Carolina, varies depending on the materials and design chosen, but investing in quality windows can add significant value to your home. Bow window contractors in West Columbia are experienced professionals who specialize in window installation and replacement. These bow window experts in West Columbia, South Carolina, provide comprehensive services to ensure your windows are installed correctly and efficiently. Bow window companies in West Columbia offer a range of services, from initial consultation to final installation. Bow window solutions in South Carolina are designed to meet the needs of any homeowner. Whether you're looking for bow window upgrades in West Columbia or need assistance with bow window maintenance in South Carolina, local providers offer a variety of services. Bow window features in West Columbia, South Carolina, include options for customization and energy efficiency. Bow windows West Columbia options are extensive, allowing homeowners to choose from a wide range of styles and designs. Bow window enhancements in West Columbia can include additional features such as built-in seating or storage. Bow window specialists in South Carolina are available to help you select the best options for your home. Bow window services in West Columbia, South Carolina, are comprehensive, covering everything from installation to maintenance. Bow window providers in South Carolina offer expert advice and quality service to ensure your windows are installed to the highest standards. Bow window installation cost in South Carolina is competitive, making it an affordable option for many homeowners. Bow window installation experts in West Columbia are dedicated to providing top-notch service and quality craftsmanship. These professionals have the skills and experience necessary to handle any bow window installation project. Bow window installation services in South Carolina are designed to meet the needs of every resident.